Voice of Nagaland News. Voice of Nagaland News aji Marwari Party Chinojen Pawan Road ase yate aikena ase. Choa kali rati Dimapur Police kan laga team kan ahigena tik mulaka right side te apni kan dikule barrage na ekta godown ase tate aikena red marishe. Aru yate ki kan red marishe kule to through intelligence sources kan bra Dimapur Police ke khopor dishe tit idu godown de illegal pen cough syrup codeine to store krigena rakhigena ase kuigena. To police kan itu khopor huna bishide Dimapur Police laga team kan ahigena itu godown de red marishe aru itu red marate tinta gari cough syrup to takan load krigena lui chabi apni kan visual se tikole pare ase aru itu tinta gari to ekta do police personal laga pickup gari dekishe aru tuida do auto pickup dekishe. To itu soap laga opor de Dimapur Police headed by ADCP ba details pra kuigena ase to ibi itu laga opor de details pra hunilo.
Okay, thank you so much for the media persons for covering the news. At the outset, Moi Kohli Munjado Dimapur Police as part of the ANTF team leader, I would like to say that Amigan as part of our effort, Amigan narcotics ban globally and then anti-narcotics task force lies up there. We are conducting this operation. Amigan laga operation lies up there. We got information that we do go down the suspected codeine syrups kan thakia laga amen khobor paise and based on which amigan yate aigena ita raid chule ase. We are following all due processes of law and amigan yate of course ita still is an ongoing process where I cannot comment on exactly how many durishe duranai utudo in due course of time apni an media persons kan bi janai dibo or public bi janai dibo, but at the same time amigan ekta yate Kohli Munjado issue gule to amigan yate kun ase amigan public kan gibi urge kuru munja ase as part of our efforts apnian public kan gibi we want to address to you apnian laga hate information ki thakishi gule bi in terms of narcotic substance and everything. We are following a zero tolerance on anti narcotics and apnian sob ke khobor thakishi gule to we have our helpline, we have our officers on duty apnian any time apnian amian ke khobor dibe and we'll take appropriate action as deemed fit. Yeah, of course, it's very early to say right now. We have just received information and accordingly we are conducting we are conducting the search and seizure, and as and when amigan nutun khobor pabo utola esapte abnian ge aro bharba janai dibo.
Amigan Nagaland ti sagina jeshugli naga youth kan bishibak drug consume krodo amigan tikole pare ase. Amigan sagina jeshugli to Nagaland keti hubi now shugli real kit kan de public jaga de ina openly drug khai gina nisa hoi gina ta nijor bi kuti ase na jane gina ta kan pui taka bi amigan tikole pare ase. Hoi Nagaland ekta Christian state ase aru itu laga opor de civil society organization kan hobi nolebi district administration kan concerned authorities kan tahan pri ekta Nagaland do Christian state hone bi de tahan laga pace try kore ase drug free state banaule now shugli alcohol free state banaule nimite holebi whereas on the other hand drug kha manu kan bishi increase wikena jani me de Nagaland share dibi broad daylight TV chori hwa laka khopor be ami kan bishi hunole pare ase aru itu chori mando kan be bishi pak sagena jaishu goli do drug ethic nolebi drug consumer thaka kan ami kan tikole pare ase itu nimite moi district administration kan be kole munja da hoi apni kan be apni kan laga kam kura no hoi kwa no hoi kuri ase aru jaga jaga te apni kan ina kan red mari gena jabi ami kan tikole pare ase itu nishina naruki gena aru ami kan laga Nagaland state to ekta drug free state panauli nimite aru inaka red marigina now shuguli bi awareness kan digina jashuguli do bishi palo kena itu bekta janai diase to ajikani imani arena news or update jani tegli side voice of Nagaland news moisi reporter moilongpom reporting from Dimapur.